Let's make the most delicious caramelized onion burger with shiitake mushrooms. In a skillet, add butter and onion. Saute until golden color. Next, add more butter and shiitake mushrooms. Season with salt and sugar. Then stir and cook for about 5 minutes. Next, grease a pan or your grill and add beef patties. Cook until desired doneness. Season with seasonings on both sides. Then add sliced cheese and wait till it melts. And it's ready to be served. Before you serve the patties, we like to toast our buns. In a pan, add butter and add the buns. Cook until golden color and then remove them from the heat. Now let's put everything together. First, bun, mayo, sriracha sauce. Next, 2 patties, followed by red onion, tomato, and lettuce, followed by caramelized onion and shiitake mushrooms, and the bun. Squeeze the nacho cheese inside the burger and enjoy! In the comments below, let me know what you think of Alex's creation. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!